Do you ever wonder how some websites always seem to dominate the top spots on search engines? Some brands seem to have a secret weapon, effortlessly ranking high and grabbing attention. Fortunately, that secret weapon is easier to master than you might think. These brands harness the power of content optimization for the web. In this lesson, I'll break down what content optimization is and how it helps your website become more visible, engaging, and ultimately successful. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of the key elements of content optimization as well as actionable tips to get started. Content optimization is the process of ensuring your website's content is tailored to rank highly on search engines, engage your target audience, drive desired actions like clicks, signups, or purchases. To make this happen, we rely on tools and techniques that align with how search engines and social media platforms operate. These include keywords, SEO best practices, alt tags, web crawlers, search engine algorithms. Let's start with the foundation of SEO, keywords. Keywords are the words and phrases people type into search engines to find information. For instance, if you run a bakery, phrases like best gluten-free cakes or how to order custom cupcakes might be relevant keywords for you. But did you know that there are also negative keywords? Negative keywords are terms you intentionally exclude so your content doesn't appear in irrelevant searches. For example, if you're selling high-end luxury items, you might exclude words like cheap or low budget. Choosing the right mix of positive and negative keywords ensures your content reaches the right people. Next, let's talk about alt tags. Alt tags are descriptions for images on your website. They help visually impaired users and search engines understand what the images are about. For example, instead of using a title like image.jpg, you'd include a descriptive alt tag such as a chocolate cake with strawberries on top. Alt tags make your website more accessible and improve your SEO ranking because search engines prioritize inclusive, descriptive content. But how do search engines find your content in the first place? Enter web crawlers. Web crawlers, also called spiders, are automated bots that scan and index the content on your website. They evaluate things like page structure, keywords, and links. Think of them as librarians cataloging books so readers can easily find what they need. If your site isn't properly optimized, these crawlers might miss important details, which means your content could end up buried in search results. And that brings us to the search engine result page, or SERP. The SERP is where users see a list of links after entering a query. Your goal is to rank as high as possible on this page. Why? Because 75% of users never scroll past the first page of results. So how do you improve your page rank? Align your content with search engine algorithms. These algorithms are the rules search engines use to decide how content is ranked. Factors like keyword placement, content quality, site speed, and mobile friendliness, these all play a role. Keep in mind that search engine algorithms are constantly evolving, so staying updated is crucial. Now let's touch on social media algorithms. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok prioritize content based on engagement metrics, like likes, shares, and comments. If your goal is to drive traffic to your website through social media, make sure your posts are engaging and encourage interaction. Ad networks are also key players in content optimization. Ad networks like Google Ads or Meta Ads allow you to promote your content to highly targeted audiences. By using data on user behavior and demographics, these networks help you reach customers more likely to engage with your content. Now, to tie it all together, effective content optimization creates a seamless experience for both users and search engines. Here are 3 actionable steps that you can take today. Research and refine your keywords. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Adobe Analytics to find high traffic, low competition keywords for your industry. Audit your website's accessibility. Add alt tags to all images. Ensure your site is mobile friendly and optimize for speed. Analyze and adapt. Regularly review your website's performance metrics to see what's working. Tools like Adobe Customer Journey Analytics or Google Search Console can give you valuable insights. Remember, content optimization isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that evolves as search engine algorithms and audience preferences change. Start small, track your progress, and keep refining. The more optimized your content is, the easier it becomes for your audience to find you, engage with you, and take action. So go ahead, apply what you've learned today and start optimizing your content for success.